In this video, I'll guide you through how to restrict access to the WordPress admin area using Cloudflare. This is a great way to add an extra layer of security to your site by making sure only your own IP address can even reach the login and admin pages. First, make sure you're logged into your Cloudflare account and that your WordPress site is already connected to Cloudflare. Once you're on the Cloudflare dashboard, start by selecting the domain you want to protect. This is the website whose WordPress admin area you want to lock down. After you've selected your domain, look at the menu along the top or left of the Cloudflare dashboard and go to Security, then choose WAF, which stands for Web Application Firewall. Inside the WAF section, find and open the Custom Rules area. This is where we'll create a new rule that specifically targets your admin area. Click the button that says Create Rule. Cloudflare will open a form where you can define exactly what you want this rule to do. Give your rule a clear, descriptive name so you recognize it later. A simple and effective name is Restrict WP Admin. This doesn't affect how the rule works, it just makes it easier to manage if you add more rules in the future. Next, you'll set the conditions for when this rule should apply. The first condition will target the WordPress admin path. Set the first field to URI path, then set the operator to contains. In the value box, type WP admin. This tells Cloudflare that the rule should trigger anytime someone tries to access a URL on your site that includes .wp admin, which is where the WordPress admin dashboard and login pages are located. Now you want to add a second condition that checks the visitor's IP address. Click the option to add another condition, usually shown as AND. This means both conditions must be true for the rule to activate. For this second condition, set the field to IP address, then set the operator to is not, and in the value box, enter your own IP address. This means Cloudflare will only block access to WP admin when the visitor's IP address is different from yours. If you're not sure what your current IP address is, open a new browser tab and search for the phrase "What is my IP" on Google. Google will show your public IP address at the top of the results. Copy that IP address carefully and paste it into the field in Cloudflare. Be sure there are no extra spaces or characters. With the conditions set, choose what Cloudflare should do when they match. For the action, select Block. This tells Cloudflare to completely block any request to WP admin that doesn't come from your specific IP address. This effectively closes off your WordPress admin area to everyone else. Once everything looks correct, click Deploy to save and activate the rule. Cloudflare will apply it almost immediately. To test it, you should still be able to access your WordPress admin area from your current connection. If your IP changes in the future, remember to update this rule with your new address so you don't lock yourself out. That's all you need to restrict access to the WordPress admin area using Cloudflare's WAF custom